Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting style, CSS where your HTML can reach it, make a predictable path. Once done, open your HTML head and add the link tag with rel equals stylesheet and the exact href path. This tells the browser to fetch CSS before painting. Make sure the file name and extension match case sensitively on some servers and save both files. If you use a CSS/folder, reference CSS/style. CSS. Now refresh to see baseline styling applied. Next, structure style. CSS so you can maintain it efficiently. Group layout, typography, and component rules, and add comments to separate sections. You should prefer classes for reusable rules and use ID sparingly for unique elements. Once organized, apply specificity intentionally. Include resets or normalize first, then base styles, then layout and components, and finish with utilities and media queries so they override earlier rules. This order prevents surprises when multiple. Finally, verify that styles apply everywhere by testing different browsers and screen sizes. Make adjustments with responsive units and media queries as needed. When something looks wrong, open DevTools, inspect the element, and see which CSS rule wins, then change specificity or reorder rules to fix it. If updates don't appear, clear the cache or change the file name to force a reload like style. V1. CSS. One key troubleshooting tip. Check for stray syntax errors. One missing brace can stop the rest of the file from.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.